Hello everybody. Today I'll talk about how to make a difference. Firstly, what does making a difference mean? It means to do something that helps people or make the world a better place. Secondly, how do you make a difference? Well, there are a lot of ways to make a difference, but in my opinion, I see the upcoming ways as the best. 1. Be kind. If someone wasn't in the mood, he wouldn't try to do anything, but being kind can cheer him up and make him happier. Thus he'll be able to do stuff that might help the world become a better place. 2. If you see a problem, don't ignore it. There might be a bigger problem behind it. Like if you see someone getting bullied continuously, don't leave him. He might commit suicide. Go help him instead and be on his side. Who knows? Maybe you just saved a life. 3. Make a difference in your life. Appreciate what you have in your life. When you see someone else's life, don't criticize yours. Be thankful and appreciate what you have. And if you criticize your life, with time, you'll start to hate it more and more. Learn something new every day. Go have a quick chat with a stranger and try to gain information from his experiences. All I want to say is a small change can make a big difference. That's it.
Aboud, can you just say that I love what you